Hey internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in textbooks. Someone claims that a room temperature coffee at 30 degrees is heated up naturally by absorbing the surrounding air. Can this happen? Does it break any thermodynamic laws? No, this can't happen because it breaks the second law of thermodynamics. Let's go a little bit deeper. What is the second law of thermodynamics? It is the directionality of the natural processes of energy going only one direction. So energy only goes one way as it is dispersed and spread out. So for the coffee, the temperature goes from hot to cold naturally. So you wouldn't expect it to suddenly heat up to 100 degrees Celsius from 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Share this with your friends because it's not in textbooks. Until next time, see ya.